Next topic is the sword of Tipu Sultan and Woods steel. Children, Tipu Sultan, who ruled Mysore till 1799, fought 4 wars with the British and died fighting with his sword in his hand. And Tipu's legendary sword are now part of valuable collection in museum in England. Children, do you know why Tipu Sultan's sword was so special? His sword had an incredibly hard and sharp edge that could easily rip through the opponent's armor. And this quality of the sword came from a special type of high carbon steel called woods. It was produced all over South India. Wood steel, when made into sword, produce a very sharp edge with a flowing water pattern. And this pattern came from very small carbon crystals embedded in the iron. Francis Buchanan was a Scottish physician who made significant contribution as a geographer, geologist and botanist while living in India. Francis Buchanan, while touring through Mysore in 1800, a year after Tipu Sultan's death, gave an account of the technique by which wood steel was produced in many hundreds of smelting furnaces in Mysore. In these furnaces, iron was mixed with charcoal and put inside small clay pots. Through an intricate control of temperature, the smelters produced steel ingots. They were used for sword making not just in India but in West and Central Asia also. Woods is an anglicized version of Kannada word ukku, Telugu hukku, and Tamil and Malayalam urukku, which means steel. Michael Faraday, the legendary scientist and discoverer of electricity and electromagnetism, spent 4 years studying the properties of Indian woods in between year 1818 to 1822. Wood steel making process, which was so widely known in South India, was completely lost by the mid-19th century. The swords and the armor making industry died with the conquest of India by the British, and imports of iron and steel from England displaced the iron and steel produced by craft people in India. Now children, answer these questions based on video. First question, why Tipu Sultan's sword was so special? Second question, who was Michael Faraday? Third question, how did the technique of smelting was introduced in India?